Paris. The very name evokes a sense of wonder and excitement. The name itself conjures images of timeless beauty and elegance. Romantic strolls along the Seine where lovers walk hand in hand, lost in their own world. Cozy cafes with wicker chairs inviting you to sit, sip a coffee and watch the world go by. Grand boulevards and charming side streets, each with its own unique story to tell. Paris is a city best explored on foot. Let's wander together. Imagine arriving in Paris. The energy is palpable, the air filled with the hum of life. A mix of history and modernity hangs in the air, where ancient architecture stands proudly beside modern marvels. Every corner whispers stories of artists, revolutionaries, and lovers who once walked these streets. Are you ready to discover them? To uncover the hidden gems that make Paris so enchanting? Our journey begins with a simple step. Each cobblestone beneath our feet tells a tale of centuries past. We stroll along the Seine, its waters reflecting the sky and the grandeur of the city. Street musicians serenade us with accordions and guitars, their melodies weaving through the air. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts from a nearby boulangerie, tempting us to indulge in a warm, flaky croissant. Paris is already working its magic. The city captivates us with its charm, its history, and its endless possibilities. Every street, every corner holds a new adventure, a new story waiting to be discovered. So let's embrace the invitation to wander, to lose ourselves in the beauty and wonder of Paris. Let's create memories that will last a lifetime in a city that has inspired countless hearts and minds. Paris awaits with open arms and endless stories. Are you ready to wander? No trip to Paris is complete without visiting its icons. These landmarks are not just structures. They are the very essence of the city's charm and history. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of France, pierces the sky. Standing at 324 meters, it was once the tallest man-made structure in the world. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, it was initially met with skepticism, but has since become a beloved emblem of Paris. Ascend to the top for breathtaking views. From its observation decks, you can see the entire city sprawled out beneath you, with the Seine River winding through its heart. The panorama is especially stunning at sunset. At night, the tower sparkles with 1,000 lights. This dazzling display, known as the illumination, occurs every hour on the hour, creating a magical atmosphere that enchants both locals and tourists alike. The Louvre Museum houses masterpieces. As the world's largest art museum, it boasts a collection that spans thousands of years and includes works from nearly every civilization. The Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile awaits. Painted by Leonardo da Vinci, this portrait is one of the most famous and visited artworks in the world. Her mysterious expression has intrigued viewers for centuries. Venus de Milo's timeless beauty captivates. This ancient Greek statue, believed to represent Aphrodite, the goddess of love, is celebrated for its exquisite form and grace. Wander through centuries of art. The Louvre's vast galleries are filled with treasures from the Renaissance, Baroque, and beyond. Each room tells a story of human creativity and cultural evolution. It's a feast for the eyes. From the grandiose architecture of the museum itself to the intricate details of each artwork, every visit to the Louvre is a journey through time and beauty. Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, stands tall. Its construction began in the 12th century and took over 180 years to complete. The cathedral's twin towers and flying buttresses are iconic features of Gothic design. Its stained glass windows tell stories of faith. The rose windows in particular are renowned for their stunning colors and intricate designs depicting biblical scenes and saints. The gargoyles, silent guardians, watch over the city. These stone creatures, perched high on the cathedral, serve both a decorative and functional purpose, channeling rainwater away from the building. Even after the fire, its spirit endures. The 2019 blaze was a tragic event, but efforts to restore this beloved landmark are ongoing. The resilience of Notre Dame is a testament to the enduring spirit of Paris itself. Venture beyond the famous landmarks. Discover the hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners. Explore the Marais district, a blend of history and hip. Find charming boutiques and cafes. Stumble upon Place des Vosges, a peaceful square. Admire its red brick facades and elegant arches. Relax on a bench and soak in the ambience. It's a Parisian oasis. Wander through the Latin Quarter, a student hub. Browse bookshops along the Seine. Find remnants of Roman history. Enjoy a crepe from a street vendor. It's a taste of Parisian life. Paris is a feast for the senses. The sights are captivating, buildings adorned with intricate details, flower stalls bursting with colour, fashionable Parisians strolling by. The sounds of Paris are a melody, the chatter of locals in cafes, the clip-clop of horses' hooves on cobblestones, the accordion music drifting through the air. It's a symphony of city life. The aromas of Paris are intoxicating. Freshly baked bread, strong coffee, sweet pastries, delicate perfumes. Each scent tells a story. They linger in your memory. Cafes are the heart of Parisian life. Find a table at a sidewalk cafe. Order a café au lait and a croissant. People watch and soak in the atmosphere. It's a Parisian ritual. Street artists add colour to the city. Musicians, painters and performers share their talents. They bring life to every corner. Support them and enjoy the show. Parisian architecture is stunning, from Grand Haussmannian buildings to Gothic cathedrals, Art Nouveau details to modern marvels. Look up and admire the craftsmanship. It's a visual feast. Imagine a perfect day in Paris. Start with a croissant and coffee at a local cafe. Then visit a museum or art gallery, stroll through a park and enjoy the sunshine. Have lunch at a traditional bistro, order steak frites or onion soup. Savor French cuisine and wine. Relax and enjoy the Parisian pace of life. In the evening, attend a concert or show, experience Parisian nightlife, or enjoy a romantic dinner cruise on the Seine. The city lights will take your breath away. Beyond the beaten path, discovering the unexpected. Venture beyond the usual tourist hotspots. Discover the hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners. Explore the Canal Saint-Martin, a trendy area with boutiques and charming cafes. Discover the covered passages, architectural wonders. These glass-roofed arcades house unique shops and restaurants. They offer a glimpse into Parisian history. Visit the Père Lachaise Cemetery, the final resting place of Jim Morrison, Oscar Wilde and Edith Piaf. It's a peaceful oasis in the bustling city. Paris after dark, a city that shimmers and glows. As dusk settles, Paris transforms. The city lights twinkle, the Eiffel Tower sparkles, the bridges over the Seine glow. It's a magical time to explore. Enjoy a romantic dinner at a rooftop restaurant, savor French cuisine with a view, watch the city lights illuminate the night. It's an unforgettable experience. Experience the Parisian nightlife. Attend a cabaret show in Montmartre, dance the night away in a trendy club, or enjoy a drink at a jazz bar. Parisian elegance, a timeless allure. Parisian style is effortlessly chic. From fashion to interior design, there's an understated elegance. Observe how Parisians dress and carry themselves. It's an art form. Shop for unique souvenirs. Find a vintage scarf in the Marais. Pick up a book of Parisian photography or indulge in some French perfume. Take a piece of Paris home with you, embrace the Parisian lifestyle, slow down and savor the moment, enjoy long meals and conversations, appreciate the beauty around you. It's a lesson in living well. Until next time, Paris, a fond farewell. As our journey comes to an end, we bid farewell to Paris. This city, with its timeless charm and elegance, has left an indelible mark on our hearts. We've walked its cobblestone streets, tasted its culinary delights and felt its enchanting magic. From the bustling markets to the serene Seine, every corner of Paris tells a story. Paris is a city that stays with you long after you've left. Its beauty is not just in its landmarks, but in the everyday moments that make it so special. The memories of Paris linger, like the soft glow of the streetlights at dusk or the laughter of friends sharing a meal at a cozy bistro. The Eiffel Tower against the sunset is a sight that captures the essence of Paris. It's a symbol of love, hope, and dreams. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through the air is a reminder of the simple pleasures that Paris offers. Each bite of a croissant or a baguette is a taste of tradition and craftsmanship. The sound of an accordion on a street corner adds a musical backdrop to the city's vibrant life. It's a melody that stays with you, evoking memories of leisurely strolls and spontaneous adventures. These are the souvenirs we carry in our hearts. The moments, the sights, the sounds, and the flavors of Paris are etched in our memories. Until next time, Paris. Your beauty, charm, and elegance will forever beckon us back. The allure of your streets, the grace of your architecture, and the warmth of your people are unforgettable. We'll return to explore more of your secrets, savor your flavors, and lose ourselves in your embrace. There's always something new to discover in Paris, a hidden gem waiting to be found, a new experience to be had. As the city lights up at night, reflecting off the Seine, we're reminded of the magic that Paris holds. It's a city that never sleeps, always alive with possibilities. The art and culture of Paris are unparalleled. From the masterpieces in the Louvre to the street art in Montmartre, creativity flows through the veins of this city. The gardens of Paris offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle. The Luxembourg Gardens, with its manicured lawns and vibrant flowers, is a haven of tranquility. Paris is also the fashion capital of the world. The chic style of Parisians is an inspiration, a blend of elegance and effortless charm. The cafes of Paris are more than just places to eat and drink. They are the heart of the city's social life, where lively conversations and deep connections are made. The bridges of Paris, adorned with lovers' locks, are symbols of eternal love and commitment. They remind us that Paris is a city of romance, where love stories are written every day. As we watch the sun set over Paris, casting golden hues over the city, we know that this is not a goodbye, but a see you soon. Paris, you have our hearts, and we will return. Until next time, Paris, your magic, your beauty, and your spirit will always call us back. Farewell for now.